Check the diagnostics on the separator, it looks high.
It's within tolerance, I believe. The robotic arms are performing optimally.
The yield data on tablet B looks stable.
Good, let's maintain this speed for the next cycle.
The throughput is up 20% this hour.
The new calibration seems to be working perfectly.
The efficiency metrics are holding steady at 98%.
Good. The new robotic arms are performing optimally.
The pressure reading on the south valve is stable now.
Confirmed. The torque wrench applied the necessary force.
Good. Log that in the maintenance report.
Everything seems to be running smoothly here.
Yes, the data confirms optimal output.
Reroute Trolley 7 to Bay 4. Confirm status on the packaging line.
Check the humidity levels in Section 3. We have a spike.
Acknowledged. Rerouting coolant flow now.
Temperature regulation is stable across all zones.
Confirmed. System status is optimal.
Analyze the temperature spike in the homogenization chamber. We can't risk crystallization.
Optimizing climate control parameters. Stabilization initiated.
The flow rate here is consistent with the target metrics. Yes, the robotics are maintaining perfect temperature control.
Keep an eye on the moisture levels during the cooling cycle.
Noted. The robotic sorting arms are performing flawlessly on this batch.
Check the pressure levels on the main blanching unit.
Levels are stable. The new robot arm is performing optimally.
Check the throughput on sorter 3. Looks good. The new parameters are loaded and running smoothly now. The throughput data for this batch looks excellent.
The new robotic calibration seems to be working perfectly.
Welcome to the afternoon shift briefing. The primary focus today is monitoring the new robotic sealing sequence on line 3.
Cleaning cycle appears complete on unit 4.
Log that on the manifest.
Check the flow rate on the new racks.
Stable. We are clear for full production.
We're running at 95% efficiency on this line.
Good. Keep monitoring the vacuum pressure on the gripper.
The alignment on the new roll looks precise.
Yes, the calibration is perfect. We are back to full speed.
Seriously, that was the funniest thing I've seen all week.
We should tell Javier about it later. He won't believe it.